just another sunny day outside Dodge Hall. And inside? Well, say hello to Auto Lab 3, a summer lab for about 15 or so young mechanics.
To get them more comfortable with vehicle inspections and more comfortable with vehicles in general, working on them, building their confidence to make them know that it's not an impossible task, it's doable.
Right now we're doing an AC and heating class, which is really interesting for car AC systems. Also, we're doing an intro to electric cars and hybrid cars, which is actually super interesting.
I've had students that have never touched the wrench in their life before they got here, and then you just have to tailor your teaching habits based off of that.
Is this class what you expected?
It's actually more than what I expected. I expected it to be a smaller shop. I thought it was only going to be like half this size. I didn't think it was going to be this big.
We have our new building going up that's going to be about double the square footage that this shop is. All new state-of-the-art equipment, going to be set up exactly like a dealership is, so it's going to give our students a much better experience with that.
And that's coming, and soon. Auto Lab 3 in Dodge Hall, but as you just heard, not for long.